Hello everyone, welcome back to Green Bay Classics YouTube. Jordan here. Today it's kind of a special Christmas-like day. Things have been going pretty decent, and the printer's been taking off. People have been really good, been getting jobs knocked out, so I treated myself to a brand new carburetor for the big block Camaro. Been having nothing but carb issues for the last 2 years. Probably paid Larry, hundreds of dollars into this carb, and it's junk. So instead of messing around, I just decided to bite the bullet and ordered a $650 brand new 750 Holley HP 4150 carburetor. So we're gonna open that today and take a look, and here soon we'll be putting it on. So thank you very much. Remember to hit that like, subscribe button, hit that bell notification to let you know when I post. Hello everyone, Jordan here, Green Bay Classics YouTube. It's better than Christmas. I just had a box arrive, and before practice starts here shortly, we'll unbox it with you. So we'll get the first look together. So this is the box, Summit box. Looks in pretty good shape, so that's nice. Hopefully they didn't throw it around too bad. Precision instrument inside. Summit stickers. There it is. Look inside there. Isn't that a beautiful sight? And it's so light. Seriously, compared to that Demon that I just listed today, this thing is very light. Open it with you guys. Got the gasket, book. It smells brand new. So beautiful. There it is. It's so nice. It is the polished aluminum Street HP Holley 4150. I didn't want anything that was complete race, because the Camaro mainly goes to shows and is a driver, so I had to tame her back a little bit. So this is a 750 CFM Holley carburetor, Holley HP 750. Yeah, no choke, so that's a little bit different as well. It looks awesome, amazing, and I'm really excited to put it on. Thank you very much. Have a great day.